Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be doing a very long awaited organize and sort with me video, and this is going to be also a part of my Nest with Me series. The reason why I say this has been long awaited for me is because I have been wanting to do this type of video for so long, especially for the first drawer of baby girl's dresser. I am in their room, my son's room as of right now, soon to be baby girl's room as well. And yeah, we had bought quite a bit of burp cloths and quite a bit of swaddling blankets, so now I just want to organize it the way that I want it to be before I wash them. I did this with my son last time I was pregnant and it helped so much. I was not stressed out in the end while I was washing all of his things before he came. So yeah, let's begin with the video. So my son is taking a nap right now. That is why I am able to do this video too. The reason why he is not in his room for a nap right now is because I have to finish up his laundry for his sheets and he is sleeping in my room. So yeah. So these are the dressers for our kids right now. This one used to be me and my fiance's old dresser before we got a bigger dresser to accommodate all of our clothes. So we gave this one to my son. We managed to get a bigger dresser before he was born, so that worked really well. We didn't have to purchase another dresser. And then this one, this dresser was actually given to us and we had upcycled it. My fiance did an amazing job. And we had this dresser actually in my son's closet and we used it to store his diapers and stuff like that. But now we are having to use it for baby girl. So this one's baby girl's dresser. And now we're gonna work on the first drawer and maybe we'll get to work all the way down in separate videos, we'll see. This is all of the items that is going to be in baby girl's first drawer of her dresser. So there are a lot of items that are new, like these things here, and there are some new beanies here as well. There are also a lot of old things here that are from my son, like these swaddling blankets. These ones they're just two and they're the ones that you can just kind of put them in and then you snap them. I don't know how to explain it, I can show you, but yeah, those ones were like the easy ones to put on the baby. And then we have just these fleece swaddling blankets that we had purchased but never got to use because my son was hot-blooded, and yeah, we only use them for just to have him lay on it, stuff like that. And then we have our gender neutral burp cloths, and then we have some, I think, some gender neutral bibs. I don't know about this one. I don't know why I have that one there. There are some things that I have to take out that I probably missed. But yeah, I am going to fold these, take tags off of them, and organize them in the drawer. And right now I have nothing in the drawer, so let's begin. So these are our bibs for baby girl. I think that they're quite a bit of bibs that we had purchased, but I'm glad that we have some that are old, some that are new, or else I most likely would have purchased a little bit more, just because with my son, he was a spitter. Well, not a spitter, but he would spit up a lot. That's what I mean. And I just want to be prepared with baby girl, because most likely she will spit up. And we also like to use these when we do skin to skin contact, just in case if they drool and stuff like that, and to just have extra in general, because you never know. I always like to have at least 3 or 4 bibs in the diaper bag, so just because I like to be prepared. So yeah, now we can put it in the dresser and then work on blankets now. So right now I put the burp cloths on the right side. I don't know if that'll change once I have the blankets in here. It might be. I wanted to put them on their sides like this, just because I find this way works the best for organizing baby clothes. So I didn't really realize this, but I kind of did like newest to oldest, but I do have some new burp cloths down here, and I did them in kind of like in the same material as well. So as you can see, I just quickly folded them like this. I think this is how I'm gonna want her swaddling blankets to be folded. The reason why we have so much swaddling blankets, especially muslin blankets, because I already know that baby girl will be hot-blooded, and this one is really, they are just cool to the touch, and they'll provide enough warmth for her to help circulate her body heat. Also, we also got a lot because this 4-pack was actually pretty cheap at Costco. We went to Costco recently, and for this was just $9.99, and it's organic cotton. So yeah, also I am going to do a little bit more breastfeeding with baby girl. Long story short, just didn't work out with my son for breastfeeding, so I am gonna try again with baby girl. Also, I like to use these blankets when we're out and about to cover the car seat. When I pump, I do have a breast pump, so yeah, let's put it into the dresser now. So I had already switched the burp cloths to go on this side. I just felt like that made a lot more sense, since then her washcloths will go here, somewhere around here. And then I put all of her swaddling blankets here. I managed to fit all of them in one spot because the muslin blankets, they're just so light and airy that I can just fit a lot of them just in one spot. Then I have her cotton ones here. These are the only cotton ones that we have, but I believe we have some for my son still that he still uses, so I don't know if I'm gonna be grabbing those and give them to her just yet. The reason why he still uses his swaddling blanket is to just use it at night as a regular blanket. He's very hot-blooded like his dad, so these cotton blankets provide him just enough warmth so he doesn't get cold at night. So yeah, let's continue on to the other swaddling blankets, and then all the other accessories like the mittens and stuff like that. So for these fleece blankets, I didn't have to do anything but refold this one. They were already folded, so now I just have to put them into the dresser. So I put the burp cloths facing this way instead of that way, because I just felt like that gave me a little bit more space just to have these here. And I'm pretty pleased at how much blankets I am fitting in the first drawer, because I plan on having all of this and the hats, mittens, washcloths, stuff like that into this drawer, because this is the only place that I have them for baby girl, unless I integrate some other stuff into my son's, but I don't think that would happen anyway. So yeah, now onto the other stuff. now we are down to accessories and bibs. I will just keep this for baby girl. I'll decide later when I have to rewash everything. So now we are just going to put them in the dresser. So I managed to fit everything. Originally I had wanted to get some containers from the dollar store that could fit into this dresser to put her socks and stuff like that, like just the looser items like her bows and her mittens. I put the bows here for now because I want to get something for this. I don't know if I want to get a bin for it or a little display because I want to put it up here. I also took that out. I don't think that one would be appropriate for a baby girl. I mean, it could, but I'll just put that away. So don't mind the clutter, but I do want to put something up here, like a bin or something, like I said, to put her bows, because she's going to have a lot of other bows. I just have been calmer about buying bows because I did make some bows. I think they're in my room. I'll slowly integrate them into her drawer. So yeah, I just kind of folded some of her hats and folded her bibs to make it fit a lot more easily. Yeah. I hope you guys liked this little organize and sort with me video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and also, most importantly, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Okay, bye guys.